Cough is a nagging problem that disturbs sleep and overall well-being. In this video, we will examine the effectiveness of oregano oil to get rid of a cough. Let's begin with understanding the process of coughing to check how good oregano oil is to treat it. Cough can be viral, bacterial or allergic. In all these cases, your body tries to eliminate the irritants from air passage by force of lungs, resulting in cough. As more mucus builds up, your body continues to cough it out. So, you might wonder, if a cough is good, then why should we stop it? You need to stop it when cough becomes a hurdle to normal living, such as impacting sleep. Oregano oil not only has antiviral and antibacterial capabilities but is also a good natural expectorant. Many vitamins and minerals and antioxidants in oregano oil help to improve immunity. In addition, oregano oil contains a large amount of phenols, phytochemicals and flavonoids. The main active compounds are carvacrol and thymol that help to get rid of cough, cold and flu. You can use oregano oil orally as well as externally to get rid of your cough. Try some of the following methods. 1. Take oregano oil tea. Add 2 to 3 drops of oregano oil in half cup of slightly warm water, mix well and sip the tea to enjoy. Drink it 2-3 times a day. This increases your immunity to remove cough fast. 2. Inhale oregano oil vapors. This method clears air passage quickly. Boil 2 glasses of water until steam emerges. Remove the saucepan from the burner and add 3 to 5 drops of oregano oil. Inhale the vapors for about 5 minutes. Do it 2 to 3 times a day. 3. Chest rub oregano oil for quick cough relief. This will help during sleep. Add 5 drops of oregano oil and a tablespoon of virgin coconut oil. Mix well and rub on your chest before going to sleep. Do it daily until cough is gone. Always use diluted oregano oil for topical use. Be even more careful while taking it orally. Concentrated essential oils can burn tongue and soft tissues in the mouth. Consult your doctor if you want to consume oregano oil in higher doses or for long term. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.